Welcome to Highland Boxes, my YouTube channel. I'm just going to give you a couple of minutes, just a roundup of what I do on the channel. You'll be able to check out all my videos either in a video list or in the playlist. Go and have a look to see what sort of things you like to do. I do many different projects, from using a palm router to make signs, to resin art and making different things with resin. I also do some wood turning. I also make bandsaw boxes, lots of jewellery and pendants, and I also do other stuff in between, bottle openers or coasters, ring boxes. And in the videos I show you how I make all the things that I make, to help you maybe make things in the future, and to also expand on these ideas and make some new stuff for yourself. I also have an Etsy channel, and I will have later on this year a website where there may be some extra blog content and stuff going on to there, and I think that'll be about mid-year. So I'm expanding the channel the whole time. I do 2 videos every week, one on a Monday, which is usually a vlog. It's just an update on things that I'm doing for running a small business and a YouTube channel, and just telling you what's coming up and what I'm doing. I also do a project on a Wednesday, and that's usually making something on a Wednesday. It's either casting or making something in those videos. So there's usually one project every week. I do put out some extra content, not all the time, but on a Saturday that usually goes out. So I hope you enjoy the channel. Always put any comments you have in the comments box. If you've got any questions, I'll always try and answer everybody's questions. You can also get me on Facebook. All those links are in the description, so you can personal message me and ask me any questions through there. So anyway, hope you enjoy, and thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to press that subscribe button.